Hi students, I am Irene. You are learning file handling in Python. In this video, you will learn to open the data files. Working with files. To work with a file from the Python program, the file must be opened first in a specific mode as per the file manipulation task to be performed. So, in order to work with a file from within the Python program, you need to open it in a specific mode as per the file manipulation task you want to perform. The basic file manipulation tasks include adding, modifying or deleting data in a file, which in turn include any one or the combination of the following operations. They are reading data from files, writing data to files or appending data to files. So the basic file manipulation tasks include reading data from files or writing data to files or appending data to files. Opening files. The open function of Python opens the file as per one of the following syntaxes. The first syntax states that file object name equal to open within parenthesis file name, and the second syntax states that file object name equal to open within parenthesis file name comma mode. In a syntax language, the items inside the angle brackets must be provided by the programmer. So, the file object name, file name and the mode should be provided by the programmer to open the file according to their requirements. For example, to open the file chopper.txt, the statement may be written as file1 equal to open within parenthesis chopper.txt within quotes. This statement opens the file chopper.txt in file mode as the read mode, that is the default mode, and attaches it to a file object, namely file1. So now file1 is a file object or file handle. The name of the function is open. The open function takes two arguments. The first argument must be the file name and the second argument must be file mode. Here the file name given is chopper.txt, but the file mode is not provided. When the file mode is not provided, the default file mode will be read mode. Consider another example. File2 equal to open within parenthesis subject.txt within quotes, comma, r within quotes. This statement opens the file subject.txt in read mode, that is r represents read mode, and attaches it to a file object, namely file2. So here the file object is file2, name of the file is subject.txt and the mode is read mode. So this open function opens the file subject.txt in read mode and attaches it to a file object, namely file2. Let us consider another example. File3 equal to open within parenthesis :/subject /english.txt within quotes, comma, w within quotes. This statement opens the file english.txt from E drive subject folder in write mode because w represents write mode and attaches it to a file object file3. So here the file object is file3. The name of the file is english.txt under E drive subject folder. The function open opens the text file english.txt in write mode and attaches it to a file object file3. If you see the path, here the slashes are doubled because the slashes have special meaning, and to suppress that special meaning, escape sequence for slash, that is double slash, is used here. A file object is also known as file handle. So file object and file handle can be used interchangeably. Let us analyze the file open function. The open function of Python creates a file object which serves as a link to a file residing on the computer. So to create a file object which serves as a link to your file, the open function is used. The first parameter for the open function is a path to open the file. So the open function's first parameter should be a path to open the file or a file name. If only the file name is given, then Python searches for the file in the current folder. If path is provided, Python opens the file from the specified path. The second parameter of the open function specifies the modes for reading, writing or appending data onto the file. The string constants R, W and A are used to represent the modes for reading, writing or appending respectively. If the second parameter is not provided, then the default mode will be read mode. So the second parameter must take one of these constants R, W or A. If the second parameter is not provided, by default the mode will be R or read mode. When the file is opened in read mode, the given file must exist in the folder. Otherwise Python will raise file not found error. So when you open the file in read mode, if the file does not exist in the specified folder, then Python raises file not found error. Let us summarize the open function. The open function of Python creates a file object myfile which serves as a link to your file typesoffiles.txt under E drive. The open function's first parameter is path to the file name and the second parameter is the mode in which the file should be opened. The slashes in the path are doubled since they have a special meaning, and to suppress the special meaning, the escape sequence for slash, that is double slash, is used here. To use the single slash, it may be written using rostring as myfile equal to open within parenthesis or within quotes E colon single slash typesoffiles.txt comma or within quotes. The prefix or in front of the string makes it rostring. That means there is no special meaning attached to any of these characters. When or is not prefixed before the first parameter of the open function, this slash and t gets a special meaning and it is considered as a escape sequence for tab space. So typesoffiles.txt will not be opened as expected and it may lead to error. So when it is prefixed with or, all the special meanings will be removed from these characters. So single slash can be used in a path when it is prefixed with a rostring or. Note, so the prefix or in front of a string makes it rostring. That means there is no special meaning attached to any character. This statement may give incorrect result as single slash is used in a path without the prefix or the rostring. So this slash t gets a special meaning and it becomes an escape sequence for tab character. So the file typesoffiles.txt is not opened as expected. So this leads to incorrect result. So the two ways to use the path names are using escape sequences, that is double slashes, or prefixing the rostring or with the file path string. Here in the first statement, the slashes are doubled. They are doubled to suppress the special meaning. And here the single slash is used, but it is prefixed with the rostring or. So these are the two ways to use the path names inside the open function. If the file name is not given without its path as file equal to open within bracket within quotes datafile.txt, Python will open or create the file in the same directory in which the module file is stored. Here within the open function, only the name of the file is given, the path name is not provided. So Python will open or create this datafile.txt in the same directory in which the module file or Python program is stored. Let us summarize. The open function is used to open a data file in the program through a file object or a file handle. The open function takes two parameters. The first parameter must be the file name and second parameter must be the mode in which the file should be opened. In this video you have learned how to open a data file. Coming up next, file object or file handle, video part 3.